The iPad Mini 5, or as many are calling it, the definitive comeback of the most iconic pocket-sized powerhouse, is officially preparing to hit the shelves in 2026. This isn't just another incremental update. It is a complete reimagining of what a portable device should be. For years, Apple has kept us guessing, but the recent supply chain leaks, combined with early internal design specifications, point toward a device that challenges everything we thought we knew about performance-to-size ratios. We aren't just talking about a faster processor. We're talking about a fundamental shift in display technology, battery architecture, and integration into the Apple ecosystem that makes this not just a companion device, but a primary machine for creators, pilots, doctors, and tech enthusiasts alike. Think about the last time you felt truly excited about a portable device. Was it when you could finally fit your entire workflow into a jacket pocket? Or was it when you realized you didn't need to sacrifice power for portability? The 2026 iPad mini is engineered to reclaim that feeling. Leaks indicate that Apple has managed to overcome the thermal limitations that historically held back the mini series, allowing for sustained performance that rivals the full-sized iPad Pro models. You might wonder how they achieved this without changing the iconic form factor. It comes down to a new, highly efficient, custom silicon architecture designed specifically for the unique cooling dynamics of a smaller chassis. This isn't just hardware. It is a breakthrough in engineering that bridges the gap between ultra-portability and desktop-grade capability. As we walk through the specs, the design philosophy, and the massive implications for the mobile market, you will start to see why this isn't just a tablet. It is the device that will define the next 5 years of mobile computing. The most shocking revelation, however, comes from the display department. We are looking at a panel that pushes the boundaries of resolution and refresh rate, ensuring that every touch, swipe, and stroke with the Apple Pencil feels indistinguishable from reality. Imagine having a device that renders complex 3D models or edits high bitrate 4K video while you are on a flight, or managing complex financial data streams while commuting, all with the clarity and color accuracy of a high-end reference monitor. The 2026 model aims to eliminate the jelly scrolling effect of the past, utilizing a custom-tuned display controller that ensures perfect synchronization across the entire screen. This is a game-changer for digital artists, note-takers, and anyone who relies on precision. As we dig deeper into the potential pricing tiers and storage configurations, it becomes clear that Apple is positioning this device to be the ultimate productivity tool for a professional demographic that values mobility above all else. Stay with me as we break down exactly why this 2026 launch is being treated with such secrecy and why the industry is holding its breath.